learning how to cook rice is essential because it can be prepared with so many other dishes, like tacos or steak, for example. Today, I will be demonstrating to you how to properly cook rice. I'm going to turn that off for now. So here are all the materials that you're going to need. You're going to need 2 regular-sized bowls, chicken flavored bouillon, a measuring cup that is exactly 1 cup, rice, of course, butter, a big spoon and a regular spoon, a lid, and a pot to go with the lid. So let's start this process. You're going to put your stove on high heat. Take 1 big spoonful of butter and put it into this pot and let the butter melt. Melt the butter melt. While doing that, waiting for the butter to melt, which will take about a minute or 2, we are going to start preparing our rice. So an important rule to follow in this process is every 1 cup of rice is every 2 cups of water. So I'm going to making 1 cup of rice. So I will be putting the rice into here. 1 cup exactly. Shake it a little bit so it's all even and put it into your bowl. And in this separate bowl, we're going to be putting 2 cups of water. So 1 cup of water in here and 2 cups of water. And now, since we've done that and our butter is melted, we are going to take our rice and put it into this pot. And then we're going to take our big spoon and start stirring the butter into the rice right away. You're going to stir, stir, stir until your rice is about golden brown. And then once you realize that your rice is golden brown, you're going to take your water and pour it into the pot. It'll start sizzling thick like that. It's okay, no need to panic. And from here, you're going to want to take your chicken flavored bouillon. This is a special flavoring that me and my mom use to add a little special to it. Take your regular size spoon, and me and my mother like to take about a spoonful of this flavoring and add it into the water in your pot. Make sure it's all in there. And you won't be using this anymore, or your bowl, so you can put that to the side. You won't be using your measuring cup, put that off to the side. And once we've done that, you're going to take your regular sized spoon and start stirring the water and the rice together. Once you start stirring, a useful trick that my mom taught me is to taste the water, because that's what your rice is going to taste like. It sounds odd, but it definitely works. So once you're done stirring a bit, you want to taste your water and see whether you think you're going to need to add more seasoning or not. My water is good, so I think I will leave it at that. You're going to want to keep your heat on high heat and take your top and put it over the rice. And let that rice come to a boil. Rice takes about 5 minutes to boil, so you're going to want to wait about 5 minutes. And once you realize that your rice is boiling, you can put the heat onto low and set your timer for about 18 to 20 minutes. Me and my mom like to set our timer to 18 minutes because if you set it to 20 minutes, your rice will be a bit mushy and softer. But we like to have it at a regular consistency. So we're going to set it to 18 minutes. And once your 18 minutes are done, you can turn off the heat and let your rice cool down. And once you've let your rice cool down, you're done. And you have a brand new set of rice. Once you've let it cool down, go ahead and serve. Take your rice, put it in your bowl, and you're done. It may be a bit hot, but it's okay. Thank you for watching my demonstration, and I hope this was useful to you.